Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor X7 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and now all we have to do is to simply tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's take a look at this general options, and here on the third position we've got the timer, so let's tap. And as you can see, we've got 4 different timer options from which we can choose. We've got the option off, which is currently applied, but we can set 2, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick, for example, 10 seconds delay in order to show you how it works. After tapping on it, it will be notified right here, which means that we just immediately added the timer. So now we can go back to the camera and simply tap on this shutter button. And from now on, your device will count down from 10 or 5 or 3, whichever option you will use. And after that time, it will take a photo. So as you can see, the camera flashed and it took a photo. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want to. Just go back to the timer, tap on off, and after getting back, you can see that the device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So basically that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your Honor X7. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.